Hi, kids at home. Okay, so today we have a combo lesson. We have our read aloud chapter 10 and a writing lesson based on this character. So I'm going to share my screen so you can see. And you may not get to like see me as I'm reading, but you can hear me, okay? All right. So today, our lesson for writing is on zooming in on the small but powerful details that really capture big moments, okay? So if we look on our chart, I know it's kind of doing something weird right now, but it's this one right here. This is the strategy we're going to talk about, okay? Zooming in on the small but powerful details that capture really big moments and feelings. So today, our chapter, we're going to be introduced to a new character. Her name is Kimberly Tooley. Kimberly Tooley. Okay? Now, Kimberly Tooley is a very interesting character, and things mean a lot to her. She's very passionate about her feelings. So as I read, I want you to be paying attention specifically for moments when she zoomed in on small things, small details, as she told her story, that really captured big moments or feelings that she was experiencing. Okay? All right, here we go. Kimberly Tooley. I love pep rallies. I love the noise and the cheering. I love being with the whole school packed onto the bleachers in the gym, showing our spirit and raising the roof, stomping and screaming our heads off. And getting out of class doesn't hurt either. I'm a huge football fan. It's definitely my favorite sport. All those downs are kind of confusing, though. First down, second down, touchdown, down by contact, illegal man downfield. It's kind of hard for me to figure out. But when the Hiawassee Hurricanes thundered onto the field with their shoulder pads, it's all good. Guys look amazing in shoulder pads. This season might not be as awesome as usual because Chase Ambrose isn't on the team. Chase is our star. And out of all the players who look good in shoulder pads, he looks the best. He hurt himself falling off of a roof this summer, and the word around school is that he has amnesia. He can't remember anything, including the fact that I've had a crush on him since 6th grade. And he doesn't even know I'm alive. So he isn't one of the players in full uniform showing off on the gym floor while we stomp and cheer. Oh, he's down there all right, recording all the goings on with a video camera. I don't really get that part. It's one thing for Chase to be off the team. It's quite another for him to join the video club. Those kids are basically nerds. The point of the rally is to get everyone all riled up to annihilate Jefferson on Saturday. So we've got dummies dressed up in Jefferson jerseys, and our guys are kicking the stuffing out of them. And our mascot is beating up Jefferson's mascot. Actually, it's just another Hiawassee kid in a Jaguar suit. Chase is filming them close up, holding his camera right in there to capture every fake punch. I missed the shoulder pads. But he still looks good. And then the rally's over. We file off the bleachers and start for our lockers to get our stuff to go home. The team heads out to practice, clattering down the hallway that leads to the field house. There's a bit of a traffic jam there, Players going one way and the rest of us going the other. A few elbows fly. Brendan Espinoza somehow gets bumped into the path of the players. That's typical Brendan, who could cross an empty parking lot and slip on the one banana peel in the middle. The guys know Brendan, and they make a game out of bouncing him around like he's a soccer ball. Pretty soon, the team is laughing, the kids are laughing, and Brendan is flying back and forth, holding onto his camera for dear life. It's pretty funny. A chant goes up while Brendan flails. It's like the whole football team is calling out, "Pass it, pass it, pass it." There's a blur of motion, and then suddenly Joey Petronas is slammed up against the wall by two fistfuls of his football jersey. It's Chase. His handsome face is normally chiller than chill, but right now, it's boiling mad. Let the kid go, Chase demands. Brendan stumbles free, collapsing to the opposite wall. The other Hurricanes haul Chase off of Joey. And there's a lot of shoving going on. Shoving comes naturally to football players. It's even part of the game. Every play starts off with two lines of guys shoving at each other. Two Hurricanes hold Chase, struggling by the arms. Chase looks almost small, dwarfed by all those players in pads and cleats. Aaron and Bear muscle into the center of the action, putting themselves between Joey and Chase. Dial it down, Aaron orders. We're all teammates here. What did that guy ever do to you, huh? Chase spits at Joey, yanking his arms free. Yeah, like you got anything to say about it, Joey shoots back. What's that supposed to mean? Joey indicates Brendan, who's dusting himself off, surrounded by his fellow video clubbers. Yeah, right. Like you never had a little bit of fun with Espinoza over here. I laugh at that one, because no one messed with the dweebs more than Chase, Aaron, and Bear. But Chase looks so mystified that it hits me. If he really has amnesia, is it possible he doesn't remember? Chase addresses the entire team. We're shooting your pep rally to make you look good. You're welcome. The players stare at him in horror. He has no clue what he said to upset them. But I do. He said we. We, the video club. You, the team. Joey hefts his helmet. You know, we used to be tight with this kid, Chase Ambrose. We were more than teammates. We were boys. But lately, I don't even know who he is. He leads the Hurricanes in a jog out to the field. Aaron and Bear hang back. I'm expecting them to take Chase's side since those three are best friends. Chase seems pretty shocked when Bear reels off with the others. Aaron eyes Chase with a long face. You shouldn't have done that, man. Joey's your friend. He's had your back plenty of times. Chase is still defiant, but a little more subdued than before. So I should just let him beat up a kid half his size for no reason? Aaron stands his ground. If you'd told him to stop, he would have stopped. You didn't have to attack him. He shakes his head. None of us are perfect. Not even you. Next time, take a second to think about who your friends are. And he disappears after the team. Take a second and tell a neighbor what is one small but powerful detail so far that has really captured a big moment or feeling in this chapter? So far, one small but powerful detail captured a big moment or feeling. What do you think?
The trace is related to friendship.
Other friends actually found out that he was. Are we supposed to be talking?
Yes, you're supposed to be talking.
I thought I was the only one talking.
What do you think then? What's one small but powerful detail that Kimberly has told us about what just happened that has captured a big moment or feeling?
That Chase really does like Brendan as best friend because he stopped him from getting married.
Oh, so Chase stopped the football team from attacking Brendan.
And his football friend found out that he actually had an angel.
Okay, his football friends or maybe even Kimberly finally realized, oh, he actually doesn't remember anything. Okay, what else? Any more? No? What about the way Kimberly describes the football players in pads?
God.
Oh, man. You can tell this girl is like, she's got a crush and she's got it bad, right? And you can tell that just by that simple little way that she described the way the football players look in their uniforms, right?
She especially has for every Chase.
Yeah. Okay, Micah?
She's going a little overboard with the crazy and boy crazy.
She is definitely a little boy crazy, right? Good.
Because she's overdoing the crazy.
But it's the small details that she said that tell us that about her, right? Yeah. Okay, let's keep going. Thanks, Chase, Brendan says in a shaky voice. Shy but grateful, the video club members express their gratitude. Not too many people ever stand up to the football team. Well, only Chase can do it because he's one of them. Well, at least he used to be. Shoshana Weaver rolls her eyes. Please be real. Why would anybody thank him? Is there any one of us he hasn't treated like garbage? Brendan looks at her in surprise. Didn't you see what happened there? I saw him being a goon. Like he always is. Today, he was on our side. But what about tomorrow? Remember what he did to my brother? She storms off. Wow. Joel Weaver. Just thinking about him puts a lump in my throat. I almost forgot that he's Shoshana's brother. A lot of this stuff feels kind of harmless until something like Joel Weaver happens. Chase seems a little shell-shocked by the whole thing. After all, he just took on the football team on behalf of the video club kids. And what's his reward? Getting dissed by one of them. The others try to smooth it over. Sorry, man. She didn't mean it. You were awesome back there. Brendan is last. You didn't have to do that, he says. Although it's pretty obvious he's glad that someone came to his rescue. Then they're gone. The hallway is cleared out by now, so it's just Chase and me. He's still bewildered. I didn't even know she had a brother. Yeah, Joel Weaver, quiet kid, plays piano. He got bullied so bad that his folks sent him away to boarding school. That's the edited version of the truth. What Chase doesn't remember is basically he starred in that bullying. I don't think his goal could have been to force Joel to leave town, but He definitely intended to make him miserable. I wonder if he was sorry when he heard that the Weavers were sending their son away. I guess no one will ever know, not even Chase himself. However he felt about what happened to Joel, he's already forgotten it. Chase chews it over. I was in on that, wasn't I? He says finally. I was in on a lot of stuff. People look at me funny around here, and maybe it's not just because I'm the idiot who fell off a roof. Well, no one thinks you're an idiot, I put in quickly. Yeah, but, it isn't the kind of thing Albert Einstein did. He pauses thoughtfully. It's a good look for him. It makes him seem older. You can't believe how weird it is to have this whole life and everyone remembers it except you. I'm Kimberly, I tell him. But you always call me Kimmy. That's not exactly true. But how's he ever going to know? I always wanted to be called Kimmy, especially by him.
Oh my god.
We shake hands like two business people meeting for the very first time. Well, I'm late for video club, he tells me. See you, Kimmy. I'm speechless. So I just wave at him.
She's really.
This has to be the best day ever. If Chase forgot everything, it means he also doesn't remember that he's totally out of my league. I have to join the video club as soon as possible.
That's not a bit softer.
Okay, so let's go back to our strategy here, okay? What is another small but powerful detail that really brought out a powerful feeling or emotion that Kimmy included?
That she really does have a preference.
Tell a neighbor. What did she do? What did she include?
She always wanted to be called.
Hope you enjoyed our chapter today. Bye.
Yeah.